Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'll tell you what, this is one of those weeks where I didn't plan very well. I don't have a big cook for you, but this is midweek. It's already dark outside. We're just doing some little grilled chicken sandwiches for dinner, and I just thought I'd bring you along. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, you might get something from it. So let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, guys, I'm gonna be using some of my herbaceous hen from Grillaholics. Pretty good stuff, especially on chicken. I really like this on chicken a lot. Well, made a mess. Okay, I got 3. These are not full chicken breasts. These are thin cut chicken breasts that I like to use for sandwiches. If I can't get my hands on any chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, I like these. You gotta watch them, they cook pretty fast, so you gotta keep an eye on them on the grill. And we're just gonna be cooking on the gas right here. But so guys, that's all I'm gonna do is just season them up with this. It's gonna be kind of a fast little meal for us tonight. Put that in. Get both sides. Alright, let me get that grill fired up, bring it up to temp, and we'll get these on. Gonna break out some lighting. The sun has gone down. I'm gonna bring this our monument grill on up to temp, and we'll be back out here with some chicken here real soon. Alright, folks, we don't get the best angle on this grill, but hey, we're gonna do what we can here. Just gonna get these on over here, direct heat. Shouldn't take us that long. Get over here on this. We'll check back. I don't expect this to take over 10 minutes to get done, so we'll check back here in a few minutes. Get them flipped. I still love those lights on that grill. Alright guys, we've been about, see if we're, oh yeah, we're good. Been about 4 or 5 minutes right there. I was scared that it was going to be sticking. We are good. Chicken breast you got to be careful with because it can dry out. So I'll be checking temperatures on it really good. Check back in about 4 minutes and we'll check temps. Let's get a check on these. I don't think we're there yet. I think I'm going to turn them one more time. 129, 130, yeah. I'm cooking these at about, that's a little higher, about 150. It won't take that much, won't be that much longer. I'm going to flip them one more time. That one's about there. I'm going to move it over here as I flip. Get that one over here. That one over here. Let them go just a couple minutes longer. Matter of fact, I'm going to move that one a little away from the direct heat. I've actually turned this one burner on the end completely off. When I come back, we're going to move it up top and add some cheese and a little bit more love, guys. Check back in just a couple minutes. 162.3, yeah, we need to get these up top. Little carryover, take it over the top. That was already there. I'm going to turn this down to low and move these to the top. Alright guys, I got some leftover bacon here. I'll throw a little bit right there on top. I'll just break that one in half there. Alright guys, and I got some, I always pronounce this wrong, is that Munster cheese? I'm going to lay it right on top here and just let it melt. I've got these burners on low. We're just going to let that melt for just a couple minutes. We'll come back out here and go inside and give them a taste test. Hey guys, basically just got a couple just standard hamburger buns. And I'm gonna just use some Chick-fil-A sauce we got here on hand. I'm honestly just kind of making this up as I go. That's exactly what we're doing, to be quite honest. Spread that out a little bit. And I'll come in here with some lettuce right there on the bottom. Right, come in here, big old thick slice of tomato. Check out that beautiful piece of chicken with some bacon and Munster cheese. Did I say that right? I don't know. And we're just gonna top that bad boy right there. And because this is a cheat meal tonight, I'm gonna throw some chips on there. See how we did. I literally just made this up as I went. So guys, I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Everything on here I like. So. I like it. Kind of a midweek meal. Not bad for not planning a meal for you. Just a quick sandwich. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get another bite. Bit too big of a bite. Oh yeah. Guys, thank you for joining me. I tell you what, that was really good. We do these from time to time. Fairly quick meals, just some good chicken sandwiches. It beats a lot of the other junk you can eat out there. So guys, thank you as always. Tell you what, y'all make grilled chicken sandwiches? Let me know down in the comments. Y'all, do you eat sandwiches like this at the house? We do them fairly often. Really good. I also do some chicken thighs. I might bring that to you one night real soon. So chicken thighs are also very good and got a lot of flavor. Chicken thighs is probably one of my favorite cuts of meat, or of the chicken anyway. So most flavored, most fat. So that's the way it works out. So guys, thank you as always, guys. Thank you for joining us as always, and hit that like button. Of course, it helps us out a lot, and subscribe if you have not already. And guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless ya. Bye-bye.